Good morning all. In chapter number 3, Rules of Divisibility, we have seen the rules of divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, all rules we have seen. Divisibility by 2, we have seen that a number is divisible by 2 if the digit in the ones place is even. ओके लास्ट प्लेस है वंस प्लेस है वो इवन नंबर है तो वो 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी है. ओके 3 a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. अगर डिजिट्स पूरे डिजिट्स का सम 3 के साथ डिविजिबल है तो वो 3 की डिविजिबिलिटी है. if the sum of the digit can divisible by 3. okay 4 a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number are divisible by 4. अगर last two numbers है वो 4 के साथ डिवाइड हम कर सकते हैं तो वो 4 की divisibility है. if the last two numbers can divisible by 4. okay 5 a number is divisible by 5 if the digit in the ones place is 0 or 5. अगर ones place पे 0 और 5 नंबर है तो वो 5 की divisibility है. if the digit in the ones place is 0 or 5. 6 a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. अगर 2 and 3 के साथ divisible है which means the ones place is even and sum of the digit can divisible by 3. 2 and 3 के साथ divisible है तो वो number 6 की divisibility है. if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3 that can divisible by 6. okay 8 a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. अगर last 3 digit है वो 8 के साथ divisible है तो वो 8 की divisibility है. okay if the last 3 digit can divisible by 8. 9 a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. 3 में क्या था sum of the digits can divisible by 3. 9 में क्या है same sum of the digits divisible by 9. अगर sum of the digit 9 की divisibility है okay वो हम sum of the digit 9 के साथ divide कर सकते हैं तो वो 9 की divisibility है. okay a number is can divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits can divisible by 9. okay 10 a number is divisible by 10 if the digit in the ones place is 0. अगर ones place पे 0 है तो वो 10 की divisibility है. 11 find the sum of the odd places, find the sum of the even places. now find the difference of the odd and even places, then the answer will be 0 or divisibility by 11. okay first क्या करना है odd places का सम करना है, then even places का सम करना है, then difference करना है. अब और वो difference अगर 0 और 11 के साथ divisible है तो वो 11 की divisibility है. okay 12 a number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. a number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. 3 में क्या था sum of the digit can divisible by 3 and 4 में क्या था the last two digits can divisible by 4. okay 3 and 4 के अगर divisibility है तो वो 12 के साथ divisible है. okay we have started in last lecture last video 3.1 exercise that is on page number 91. you have to keep out that page number in the term book. divisible by 2 and 3 we have seen. we will revise it. okay okay divisible by 2 965. divisible by 2 का रूल क्या था if the ones place is even. okay here the ones place is even or odd. 5 is odd number. okay so we cannot divide 965 by 2. okay that is not divisibility by 2. okay now here 45,264 here ones place that is 4 is even number or odd number, that is even number. okay so we can divide by 2. understood 4 क्या है even number है तो वो हम 2 के साथ डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, which means all number we can divide by 2. Okay, now here 45,67,832. Here in the even places there is 2. Okay, 2 is even number or odd number? 2 is even number. Okay, so we can divide it by 2. Okay, if the ones place is even number, then we can divide by 2. It is the divisibility of 2. Okay, so here is even number, so this number is divisible by 2. Okay, now here 20,500, here ones plus there is 0. 0 is even number. Okay, so we can divide by 2. So this number 20,500 is divisible by 2. Okay, now here 51,23,645. In the ones place there is 5. 5 is even number or odd number? 5 is odd number. Okay, so we cannot divide by 2. That's why 51,23,645 is not divisible by 2. Okay, last number 65,070. In the ones place there is 0. Okay, 0 is even number, so we can divide by 2. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2. See, 65,070 is divisible by 2. Okay, ये हुई 2 की divisibility. Now we will see the divisibility by 3. Okay, the rules of divisibility by 3. That was the rule was that if the sum of the digits can divisible by 3. Okay, अगर sum of the digit 3 के साथ divide होता है तो वो full number क्या है? 3 की divisibility है. Okay, here we will count the sum of the digit. 9 plus 6 15. 15 plus 5 20. Okay, 20 we cannot divide by 3. अगर 20 को हम 3 के साथ divide करते हैं तो 3 6 18. Okay, 20 minus 18 2, रिमाइंडर 2 बचती है, तो वो 23 क्या डिविजिबल नहीं, 3 7 21 आता है, तो 21 डिविजिबल है, 20 डिविजिबल है नहीं. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑल नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. ओके, सम ऑफ द डिजिट करना है एंड सम ऑफ द डिजिट अगर 3 के साइड हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं तो वो 3 की डिविजिबिलिटी है. ओके, नाउ हियर सेकंड sum of the digit we will count first. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 6 17. 17 plus 4 21. Okay, 21 is the sum of the digit. Now 21 we can divide by 3. 3 7s are 21. Remainder will be 0. So this number is divisible by 3. Understood? See here, sum of the digit is 21. Okay, so 21 we can divide by 3 easily. Okay, so this number is divisible by 3. Now we will count the sum of these digits. 45,67,832. Okay, sum of the digit we will count. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 6 15. 15 plus 7 22. 22 plus 8 30. 30 plus 3 33. 33 plus 2 35. Okay, 35 we cannot divide by 3. Okay, अगर हम 35 को 3 के साथ डिवाइड करते हैं, 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 3 0, 5 bring it down. Now 3 1s are 3, 5 minus 3 2, remainder will be 2. So we cannot divide by 3 35. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, now the next digit 20,500. We will count the sum of the digit. 2 plus 5 7. Okay, 0 0 0. Zero's value is 0 always. Okay, 2 plus 0 2. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 0 0 7. Okay, 7 is the sum of the digit. So 7 can divisible by 3 or not? No, because 3 2 8s are 6. Okay, 7 minus 6, 1. Remainder will be 1. Okay, so 7 is not divisible by 3. So 20,500 is not divisible by 3. Understood? Now the next digit 51,23,645. Now we will count the sum of the digit. Okay, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. Okay, 26 is the sum of the digit. Now 26 is divisible by 3 or not? 26. Okay. 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Okay. Here the sum is 26. Now 3 8s are 24. Okay. So 3 8s are 24 है तो 26 minus 24 तो क्या आएगा रिमाइंडर 2 आएगी. Okay. So 26 is not divisible by 3. So this number 51,23,645 is not divisible by 3. Understood how we count it? 26 is the sum of the digit. 26 3 के टेबल में आता है, नहीं 27 आता है and 24 आता है. ओके, तो दिस नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. अगर हम डिवीजन करें तो भी रिमाइंडर क्या बचती है? 2 बचती है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. नाउ लास्ट डिजिट 65,070. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल काउंट द सम ऑफ द डिजिट. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 0, 18. Okay. 18 is the sum of the digit. Okay. 18 can divide by 3 or not? Yes. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 18, remainder will be the 0. So we can easily divide 65,070 divided by 3. Okay, remainder will be the 0. So it is divisible by 3. 65,070 is divisible by 3. Okay, so ये हुई 3 की divisibility. Now we will see the next divisibility of 4 number. Okay, rules of the divisibility by 4. क्या था rules of the divisibility by 4? If the last 2 digits can divide by 4, okay, then the whole number can divide by 4. Okay, if the last 2 digits can divisible by 4, then the whole number can divisible by 4. Here 65 is there. 65 is divisible by 4 or not? See here we have to count. See here where I show 65. 65 we can't divide by 4. See here 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, 5 bring it down. Now 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. Okay, 4 6 are 24. Remainder will be 1. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 4. See here, the last 2 digit is not divisible by 4. That's why 965 is not divisible by 4. Understood? Now the second digit we will see. Here 45,264. Okay, here 64 is there. 64 is divisible by 4. See here. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, 4 bring it down, 24. 4 8s are 24. Okay, 64 minus 60, 24 minus 24, 0 remainder will be. Okay, see here 64 divide by 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 4 bring it down. 4 6 are 24. Okay, remainder will be the 0. 64 is divisible by 4. That's why 45,000 47,264 is divisible by 4. Understood? Now here 45,67,832. 32 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes. 4 8s are 32. Remainder will be the 0. So this number is divisible by 4. Understood? अगर last 2 digit 4 के साथ divisible है, हम divide कर सकते हैं, remainder 0 आती है तो वो 4 की divisibility है. Okay? Now here 0 0. Last number 0 0 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes. Okay? See here. 0 0 is divisible by 4 because last 2 digits are 0. We can divide by 4. See here, I show you all number divided by 4. See here, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 20 20 0, 5 bring it out. 5 4 1s are 4. 1 and here 0 bring it down. 4 2s are 8. 2 4 10 minus 8 2. 0 bring it down. Now 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 0. Okay, divide हो गया. ये मैंने आपको दिखाया कि हो सकता है because 0 0 is divisible by 4. That's why here we will pick the right one. Okay, now the here 45 is there. 45 we can divide by 4 or not? No, because here 5 is there. See, 4 1s are 4. Then 5 bring it down. 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 1 बचता है. Okay, remainder क्या बचती है? 1 बचती है. See, 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. 5 bring it down. 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 1 4 1 आता है. Okay, remainder is remaining. That's why we cannot divide by 4. 45. Okay, that's why whole number we can't divide by 4. Last digit 70 is there. Okay, 70 we can divide by 4 or not? No, because see here 70 4 1s are 4. 7 minus 4 3. 0 bring it down. Now 4 8s are 24. 4 9s are 36. Okay, 4 8s are 32 आता है. 4 7s are 28. Okay, 30 minus 28 2. Remainder is 2. Okay, so we can't divide 70 by 4. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 4. Okay, ये हुई 4 की divisibility. Okay, if the last two digits can divide by 4, so the whole number can be divisible by 4. Okay, now 5 की divisibility तो एकदम easy है. See, how we will see? If the last digit, see here, last digit 1's plus, that is 0 or 5. Okay, 0 और 5 कैसे आया पता है आपको? See here, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. Okay, 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 है. इसलिए यहाँ पे आया कि अगर 1's प्लेस पे 5 और 0 है, ऐसे में लोग याद रखना है. ओके, अगर 1's प्लेस में 5 और 0 है तो वो 5 की divisibility है. ओके, in the first number 965, in the 1's place there is 5, so we can divide by 5. Understood? Now here in the 1's place there is 4. अगर 0 और 5 है तो ही हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 4 है तो we cannot divide by 5. Okay, the whole digit we cannot divide by 5. Now here in the 1's place there is 2. So 2. Okay, here 2 is there. In the 1's place there is 2. There should be 0 or 5. Here 2 is there, so we cannot divide by 5. Here 1's place there is 0, so easily we can divide by 5. Okay, so here see this 5 is there. In the 1's place there is 5. If the 1's place is 0 or 5, यहाँ पे 5 है, so we can divide by 5. Okay, now last here is 0 in the 1's place, so we can divide by 5. Understood? क्या था कि if the number is divisible by 6, if the digit can divide by both 2 and 3, 2 3 जा 6, 2 and 3 के साथ अगर वो divisible है तो वो 6 की divisibility है। ओके, तो 2 and 3 में हम देखेंगे 2 के साथ and 3 के साथ ये नंबर divisible था। नो, सी यहाँ पे हमने रॉन्ग किया बिकॉज देयर इज नॉट इवन प्लेस इन द वंस प्लेस, सो वी कैन नॉट डिवाइड बाय 6। ये 2 and 3 दोनों की divisibility नहीं है, यहाँ से देखना है। ओके, तो यहाँ पे भी रॉन्ग लिया था। ओके, नाउ हियर वंस प्लेस इज 4 and the sum of the digit is also can divide by 3, so it is the divisibility of 6। see here 2 की divisibility में राइट है and 3 की divisibility में भी राइट टिक है। ओके, so 2 and 3 से divisible है, that's why here 6 की divisibility वो है। ओके, यहाँ पे the ones place is even but the sum of digit is not divisible by 3। see here 3 में wrong है, that's why it cannot divisible by 6। अगर दोनों में right है, दोनों ही divisible है तो ही हम यहाँ पे right करेंगे। अगर एक भी wrong है which means कि एक के साथ divisible नहीं है तो हम 6 की divisibility नहीं है। ओके, now here 20,500 here see here 2 की divisibility है but 3 की divisibility नहीं है। see sum of the digit is 7, 7 is not divisible by 3, that's why this number is not divisible by 6। okay, यहाँ पे 2 and 3 देखना है तो यहाँ पे रॉन्ग है दोनों में, which means 2 and 3 दोनों की divisibility नहीं है because here even place is not there in the ones place and sum of the digit is not also divided by 3, that's why 6 की divisibility है नहीं। okay, now here is right also and here is also right because see there is 0 in the ones place, that is even number and sum of the digit can also divide by 3, that's why 2 and 3 की divisibility है, so this number is divisible by 7। understood? 6 की divisibility में हमने क्या किया, 2 and 3 की divisibility को देख के हमने 6 की divisibility decide। okay, now 8 number, a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8। अगर last 3 digit 8 के साथ divide होते हैं तो ही 8 की divisibility है। okay, so we have to decide that if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8 or not। here 965 8 की divisibility है कि नहीं, we have to check it। okay, so we will divide 8 ones are 8, 9 minus 8 1, 6 bring it down here, 8 twos are 16, 0 0 5 bring it down। okay, 5 is less than from 8। okay, 5 is the remainder, so this number is not divisible by 8। understood? why it is not divisible by 8? because there is 5 remainder। okay, and the last 3 digit is not divisible by 8। see here 264 is divisible by 8 or not, we have to decide it। okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 threes are 24, 26 minus 24 2, 4 bring it down, now 8 threes are 24। okay, remainder will be the 0, 24 minus 24 0, remainder is 0, that's why we can divide by 8। the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, so the whole number 45,264 is divisible by 8। understood? now here last 3 digit is 832 is divisible by 8 or not, we will decide it। okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 minus 8 0, 3 bring it down, table नहीं चल रहा है because 3 is less than from 8, we have to keep 0 in the question। now 2 bring it down, now 8 fours are 32, 32 minus 32 0, remainder is 0, that's why this number is divisible by 8 because there is 832 is divided by 4, that's why the whole number 8. Okay, now here 500. Last 3 digit we have to see that 500 is there. 8 के साथ टेबल छोड़ना है. Okay. 8 6 48. 50 minus 48 2. 0. Bring it down. Now 8 2s are 16. 20 minus 16 4. Remainder is 4. That's why this number is not divisible by 8. Understood? This 500 we cannot divide by 8. So 20,500 is not divisible by 8. Now here last number 645. 645 is divisible by 8 or not, we have to decide. See, 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 64 0. 5 bring it down. 5 is less than from 8. So remainder is 5. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 8 because this last 3 digit is not divisible by 8. Now here, यहाँ पे last number 0 70 है. Okay, so 0 70 is divisible by 8 or not? We will check it. Okay, here 70 is there. 70 is not divisible by 8. See here, we see 0 is there. See 70. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 74 there. Okay, 70 minus 64. 6 is remainder. So 70 is not divisible by 8. That's why 65,070 is not divisible by 8. Understood? Now here see 10. Rule number 10. See rules of divisibility by 10. If the ones place is 0, okay, 10 का टेबल में क्या था? 10 is a 10, 10 is a 20, 10 is a 30, 40, 50. Ones place में क्या आया है? 0. Okay, तो रूल में क्या है? If the ones place is 0, so that is the number is divisible by 10. Okay, here ones plus that is 0. No, so this number is not divisible by 10. Here ones plus that is 4. Cannot divisible by 10. Here 2 is there. Ones place is 0. No. So that's why this number is not divisible by 10. Here ones plus is 0. So this number is divisible by 10. Understood? Now here 5. That is ones plus is 0 or not? No. So this number is not divisible by 10. Here is 0 ones plus. So this number is divisible by 10. Understood? क्या किया हमने? ones plus हमने काउंट किए. अरे सॉरी ones plus देखा, अगर 0 है तो हमने क्या किया है? टिक किया है. राइट, because ones plus is 0. That's why is divisible by 10. Okay, now 11. Rule of the divisibility by 11. Some of the digit in the odd places we will first count. See here, odd places पे क्या है? 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 14. Okay, and even places पे क्या है? 6. 14 minus 6. Okay, 8. 8 आया. Okay, 8 is not divisible by 11 if the sum of the difference is 0 or divisible by 11 हो तो 11 की divisibility है. But we have the difference is 8. So this number is not divisible by 11. Understood? क्या करना है? odd places का sum करना है, even places का sum करना है, then difference करना है and वो देखना है अगर difference 0 आता है और 11 आता है कि नहीं. Okay, 11 की divisibility है कि नहीं. Okay, now here we will count the sum of odd places. Odd places is 4, 2 and 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 4 8. Okay, now here even places 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 11. Okay, here 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 4 6 plus 4 10. 10 minus 11. Okay, so क्या आया आंसर? -1. This is not divisible by 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. Understood? Odd places का count करना है, then even places का count करना है. Okay, sir? Now this number we will count the odd places first. 4, 6, 8 and 2. 4 plus 6 10. 15 5. ओके 5 है, 0 तो आया नहीं है। अगर 0 होता और 11 की डिविजिबिलिटी का नंबर होता तो हम यहाँ पे राइट टिक करते, बट दिस इज नॉट, 5 कैन नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 11. Okay, now here even places and odd places we will count first. Odd places there is 2 5 and 0. 2 plus 5 7 plus 0 7. Okay, even places में 0 0 है, 7 है, 7 minus 0 7. 7 can divisible by 11 or not? No. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 11. Okay, now here we will count that odd places was 5 2 6 and 4. Okay, 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 5 18. Okay, now even places 1 3 and 4. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 4 8. Okay, 18 minus 8 क्या आया? 10 आया. Okay, so 10 is divisible by 11? No. Okay, there is not 0 and there is not divisibility of 11. So that's why this number is not divisible by 11. Now the last digit odd places we will count first. 6 plus 0 6. 6 plus 0 6. Now even places 5 plus 7 12. 6 minus 12 minus 6 is not divisible by 11. Okay, एक का भी सम 0 नहीं आया है और एक का भी एक भी डिफरेंस हमें 11 की डिविजिबिलिटी नहीं है. That's why this whole number सब numbers 11 की डिविजिबिलिटी में आते हैं नहीं. Okay, now last divisibility by 12. Okay, what we have learned in the rule of 12, that if the this number is divisible by both 3 and 4. Okay, अगर 3 and 4 के साथ divisible है तो ही वो 12 की divisibility है. Okay, तो हम इसी में ही देख लेते हैं कि 3 की divisibility का रूल क्या था? If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Okay, and 4 की divisibility का रूल क्या था? If the last two digit can divisible by 4. Okay, that can divisible by 12. See here, 3 and 4 के साथ अगर divisible है तो वो 12 के साथ divisible है. Okay, now here 3 and 4 दोनों की divisibility नहीं है तो 12 की divisibility होगी नहीं. Okay, यहाँ 3 and 4 वो दोनों में divisibility है तो 12 की divisibility है. Okay, यहाँ 3 में divisible नहीं है ये नंबर तो 12 में divisible नहीं है. 4 के साथ divisible है but 3 के साथ divisible है नहीं. That's why this number is not divisible by 12. यहाँ पे 3 के साथ divisible है no, 4 के साथ divisible है but 3 के साथ divisible नहीं है इसलिए 12 की divisibility नहीं है. दोनों में राइट होना कंपलसरी है कि दोनों के साथ divisible है तो ही इसके साथ divisible है 12 के साथ. ओके, यहाँ पे दोनों में रॉन्ग है. ओके, 3 के साथ भी divisible नहीं है, 4 के साथ भी divisible नहीं है इसलिए 12 के साथ divisible नहीं है. यहाँ पे this number is divisible by 3 but this number is not divisible by 12. That's why 4. That's why this number is not divisible by 12. ऐसे ही हम 9 की divisibility भी कर सकते हैं. 9 की divisibility में क्या था? If the sum of the digit, यहाँ पे 9 हम लिख सकते हैं. If the sum of the digit can divisible by 9. Okay, sum of the digit करना है, उसको देखना है कि 9 के साथ वो divisible है कि नहीं. Okay, हम कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे because 9 की divisibility नहीं दी गई. Okay. So here we have completed our exercise. See here 3.1 we have completed. Now here see page number, keep out page number 93. Think and answer है. Okay, यहाँ पे एक नंबर दिया गया है कि 35,103 and blank है. ओके, इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. अगर वंस प्लेस पे 2 या तो 4 या तो 6 8 0 हम रखते हैं तो वो 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी है. तो यहाँ पे हम वेट फर्स्ट नोट डाउन इट, देन वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट वन. is divisible by 2. अगर लास्ट डिजिट हम 2 का इवन नंबर हम कोई भी लिखते हैं 2 लिखते हैं या 4 लिखते हैं 0 लिखते हैं तो वो divisible by 2 आता है. Okay. Then second one is 3 blank 2 2 6 is divisible by 3. Okay. So what we have to do first? Sum of the digit can divisible by 3. Sum of the digit we will count first. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 6 13. Okay. 13 आया. But हम कौन सा नंबर यहाँ पे डालेंगे तो 3 की divisibility होगी. 13 plus 2 हम करेंगे तो आंसर will be 15. Sum of the digit will be 15. 15 can divisible by 3. Okay. Understood? टोटल का होना चाहिए 3 का डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. ओके. हम यहाँ पे 2 की जगह पे और भी लिख सकते हैं. 21 सम करना हो तो वैसे लिख सकते हैं. ओके. थर्ड नंबर पे है 6918 blank is divisible by 5. अगर हम वन स्पेस पे 0 और 5 लिखेंगे. ओके. या तो 0 लिखना है या तो 5 लिखना है. कोई भी हम डिजिट लिखेंगे तो वो 5 की डिविजिबिलिटी होगी. फोर्थ नंबर पे है 8713 blank is divisible by 9. 9 की divisibility का रूल था क्या था? If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, sum of the digit we have to count first. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 1 16. 16 plus 3 19. 19 में हम कितने ऐड करेंगे? 19 के आसपास जो है वो 9 की divisibility में आता है. 19 था. ओके. सॉरी 19 में हम कितने ऐड करें तो वो 9 की डिविजिबिलिटी पे के आसपास होगा. 9 3 जा 27. ओके. 19 में अगर हम 8 ऐड करते हैं तो कितना आएगा? सम ऑफ द डिजिट 27. 27 वी कैन डिवाइड बाय 9. ओके. नाउ फिफ्थ पे है 7521 blank is divisible by 10. तो 10 की divisibility का रूल क्या था? If the ones place is 0, then we can divide by 10. Okay. So ये सिर्फ टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखना है. Now today's homework is you have to write in only textbook the exercise number 3.1, that is on page number 91. Tick mark in the put right or wrong in the boxes in your textbook. Okay. Put right or wrong. Okay. In only textbook you have to do. Okay. Okay students, here we have completed our chapter number 3, rules of divisibility. I hope that you all have understood the rules of divisibility. Okay, it's very easy chapter. Okay students, this is your homework. You have to do it in only textbook. Okay students, bye. Have a nice day.